Okay, I found this repair on a forum called forum.gsmhosting.com. That's forum.gsmhosting.com. To repair the backlight inverter on an iPad 2 dim backlight, it says to jump from this component on the motherboard to this component on the LCD. Right. Can't get a good picture. Okay, this component right here. Okay, we have the solder gun heating up, and as soon as it's hot, we'll continue the video. Okay, we're going to make our first solder. No professional at soldering, so I'm just going to try and drop a bead on it. Not doing so great. Alright, I'm going to try a different approach and solder the wire, end of the wire, and then solder the wire to the component. I'm going to pause the video. Okay, I got solder on the tip of the wire, and I'm holding it in place with some tape so the wire doesn't move. We got it. Alright. No. Not very easy. Okay. Alright, I'm going to pause the video and set up the next solder point on the LCD. Okay, we have the second solder point set up. See if we can make it stick. Alright, 2 solder points done. Alright. I'm going to pause the video, take it off the stand, and go over everything. Alright. We got 1 solder point right here. C LED 1. And 1 down here. Can't get a focus on it. CLE, or I'm sorry, right here. And we're going to test it out. Okay, overview. LCD panel, motherboard underneath this shield, and we'll put it back together and see what we got. Alright, looks like we're up and running. Solder right here and right here, and hopefully the video is helpful. I know it's not great quality, didn't have the tripod, so best I could do for the circumstances, but I wanted to get out there that this does work.